Morning, welcome to our social class. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityomam Amridam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, open your eyes. Today we are going to see about Nobel Prize winners. What is that? Nobel Prize winners. So last class we discussed about ancient Indian scholars, but today we are going to see about Nobel Prize winners. For Indians have also brought glory to the country by winning the Nobel Prize in different fields. The Nobel Prize was instituted in 1901 to honor excellence in the field of literature, world peace and science. So in the way, first we are going to see about Rabindranath Tagore. Are you heard the name Rabindranath Tagore? Who is he? Very good. He composed our national anthem. Right? So, first we are going to see about Rabindranath Tagore. He was a poet, writer, philosopher and social worker. He was born in 1861 in Kolkata. He founded Shanti Niketan, a school where students are imparted education in natural surroundings and emphasis is laid on literature and arts. Tagore composed music which is popularly known as Rabindra Sangeet. His Bengali songs have been translated into English. His most famous literary work is a compilation of songs known as Geetanjali. So Geetanjali is a famous literary work for Rabindranath Tagore. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913, becoming the first non-European person to be awarded this prize. So, one speciality of Rabindranath Tagore is Tagore has composed national anthems for two countries. One is India and Bangladesh. Right? Are you clear about Rabindranath Tagore? Next we are going to see about C.V. Raman, that is Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman. He was the first Indian scientist to be awarded a Nobel Prize in 1930 for the study of light. He was born near Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu in 1888. His work in the field of physics, a branch of science, has been recognized all over the world. He was also the first to work on the scientific nature of the sound produced by Indian musical instruments consisting of drums and strings. He also won the highest civilian award of Bharat Ratna in 1954. An institution has been named after C.V. Raman, Raman Research Institute, Bangalore. This is the image of Raman Research Institute, that is RRI, Bangalore. So every February 28 we conduct a National Science Day, right? The honor of C.V. Raman. So are you clear about C.V. Raman and Rabindranath Tagore? This is time for your homework. Do question number 4 in page number 26 and do question number 7 in page number 27 in your worksheet. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.